Find the linear approximation for the function f of x equals 9 plus 2x minus 4x squared minus x cubed at a equals negative 3. Then use the result to approximate f of negative 3.05 and f of negative 2.93. The linear approximation makes use of f of x, 9 plus 2x minus 4x squared minus x cubed, as well as the derivative f prime of x, which will be, the first term is a constant with no x, derivative is 0. The second term is a constant times x, the derivative will be the constant. Third term is a power rule, bring down the power, multiply it with the negative 4. This gives negative 8, subtract 1 from the power. And the fourth term is power rule, bring down the power with the negative and subtract 1 from the power. The next thing to do is evaluate f at the a value, which is a negative 3. And that comes out to 9 plus 2 times negative 3 minus 4 times negative 3 squared minus a negative 3 cubed. This will give 9 plus 2 times a negative 3 is a minus 6, minus 4 times negative 3 squared is a 9, and then minus negative 3 cubed is a negative 27. This will give 9 minus 6, which is a 3, minus 4 times 9 is a minus 36, and then minus a negative 27 is plus 27. 3 minus 36 is negative 33, plus 27 is negative 6. The next thing to do is evaluate the derivative f prime also at the a value of negative 3. This will give 2 minus 8 times negative 3 minus 3 times negative 3 squared, which equals 2 minus 8 times minus 3 is plus 24, minus 3 times negative 3 squared is a 9, 2 plus 24 is a 26, minus 3 times 9 is minus 27, 26 minus 27 comes out to a negative 1. The linear approximation formula is f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. For this problem, a is negative 3, so it's f of negative 3 plus f prime of negative 3 times x minus a negative 3. This will be f of negative 3 plus f prime of negative 3, and then x minus a negative 3 is the same thing as x plus 3. We have values for f of negative 3 and f prime of negative 3. They can be put into place. So L of x equals f of negative 3 is a negative 6 plus f prime of negative 3 is a negative 1 times x plus 3. There's the linear approximation. This can be simplified by distributing the negative 1 in here, giving negative 6 minus x minus 3, and then the constants can be combined together, giving negative x minus 9. The next thing to do is to approximate f of negative 3.05, and this is approximately equal to L of negative 3.05. This will be best evaluated using the original version of L of x right here. This will give negative 6 minus 1 times a negative 3.05 plus 3, which will be negative 6 minus 1 times negative 3.05 plus 3 is negative 0.05, which will give negative 6. A negative 1 times a negative 0.05 is a positive 0.05. Add that to a negative 6, and that comes out to a negative 5.95. F of negative 2.93 can be approximated with the linearization at negative 2.93. Using the same form, we'll give minus 6 minus 1 times a negative 2.93 plus 3, which will be a negative 6 minus 1 times negative 2.93 plus 3 is 0.07, which will be negative 6 minus 1 times 0.07 is negative 0.07. Combining these together gives negative 6.07.